Hello and welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. In this video I'm going to share with you the recipe for this amazing healing salve made with all natural ingredients. If you have, this is your first time to my channel or you haven't visited my online store, Coyote Healing Salve is one of my best-selling products. So in this video I'm going to share with you how it's made, and I will also share the link below to my store where you can find the Coyote Healing Salve and also check out some of my other great prairie goat soaps and salves products. So let's get into the video. So there are three main ingredients that go into my Coyote Salve that are all locally sourced ingredients that I've either grown myself or obtained locally. So this is some beeswax that I'm shredding up. That will be 10% of the salve recipe. So just to make it melt a little faster, I'm shredding it. And then I also have some Calendula Plantain infused hempseed oil. So the calendula petals are from the marigold family. I grow them here. There's also plantain weed, which is something that just grows in my yard as well, and you can find it pretty much anywhere. And these two ingredients are kind of the star ingredients of this salve. They are great for dry skin, eczema, psoriasis, diaper rash, just any kind of chronic dried skin, great for mosquito bites, sunburn, just about pretty much anything. So that's why I call this a healing salve, because it is a great thing to have on hand all the time. And also this is tallow. This is rendered beef fat that I have rendered myself into tallow, and I have double washed it, so to speak. I will probably have a video on how that's done. And it will be the hard butter in this salve, and 10% hard butter goes into the salve, and 80% of the recipe will be the soft oil. So those are the three main ingredients. I will also be adding some vitamin E and a little bit of lavender essential oil. So I'll just show you how this is all put together now. So I'm just going to strain the hempseed oil. I think I didn't mention this is hempseed and avocado oil mixed together here. So for this recipe, I'm going to be making 10 containers at 50 grams. So I'm making, this is going to be 400 grams of the soft oil. You can see. I'm shredding out the beeswax. I need 50 grams of that. I'm just going to put this. So that is 50 grams of beeswax. Then we need 50 grams of the tallow. Cut it up in smaller chunks here. So I have 50 grams of the tallow. So now we're going to put it over a double boiler and melt it slowly. So just put this over a double boiler and melt it slowly. The beeswax will take a little longer than the tallow, but once it's fully melted, then we'll add our essential oils and vitamin E and pour it into our tins. So we'll get those tins ready now. Just going to get the tins ready and give them a spritz with some 90% rubbing alcohol just to make sure they are disinfected. Okay, now everything is all melted together and I am just letting it cool slightly, and then I will add some lavender essential oil. I think I will put in about 30 drops of lavender. And I've also measured out some vitamin E oil. I think this is a half a tablespoon and I filled it about halfway. So we'll say it's a quarter teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Put that in there now. I don't want too much scent in this salve usually, just a very hint of lavender oil fragrance, but the lavender oil is also really good for the skin, so I like to have it in there as well for that reason. The hempseed oil also gives it a really nice earthy smell as well that I like. To start pouring out 50-gram weights. So this should be fully solidified within 1 to 2 hours and ready to use. You'll find the recipe for my Coyote Healing Salve posted in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click on the goat to subscribe. Thank you for watching.